Good morning. Today, we're going to talk about the MLS Listings Pro Dashboard. New Pro Dashboard has been completely redesigned and it is mobile friendly. Here I have a little icon. I tap on the icon. I go to the login screen. I can use Face ID from the iPhone to log me in, and boom, I'm here in the new Pro Dashboard. We're not going to go through the new dashboard today. What I'm going to do is show you how to set it up so that you can do exactly what I just did. Because here's the important thing. The new Pro Dashboard is not an application that you download. It's a website that works just as well on a mobile phone as it does on a desktop. So the first thing I'm going to do here is sign out and walk you through exactly what you need to do to get that little icon there. So the first thing I need to do, because it is a website, is go to my web browser. And so here is Safari. I'm going to tap on Safari. Safari opens up. I have it open up to a news page. Down here at the bottom of Safari is where you type in the URL. And the URL for the MLS Listings New Pro Dashboard is prodashboard.mlslistings.com. And so I've typed that in and I can say go, and it is going to take me to the sign-in page. And again, I can just use my saved credentials and Face ID to log me in. So now I'm logged in. And you can see the web page here, but I now want to make sure that I have a little icon on the desktop so I can easily access it, so that I don't have to type in the URL every single time. So down here on the bottom of the page, if I tap down here, it brings up these little tools. And the tool that I want to tap on is this square with the arrow coming out. And so I tap on that, and it brings up a bunch of stuff that I can do. And the one I want to tap on is Add to Home Screen. So I tap on Add to Home Screen. It's going to show me exactly what that's going to look like. If I want to, I can change this title here. But I'm going to leave it as Pro Dashboard, and I'm just going to click on the Add button. And now you can see I have this new icon right on the phone. It's a website, but it's going to take me, tapping on this will take me directly to that web page. And so you can see I can tap on it. And now, once again, I need to go ahead and log in, and then I'm in the website. Thank you very much.